Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger's video and call problem if it's not working for you. So there are a few things you could check out and maybe it will work. So first of all, I would suggest to turn off the Wi-Fi and use your mobile data, because sometimes just Wi-Fi doesn't do enough. So you're just gonna swipe and you just click on the Wi-Fi button and you're just gonna turn it off. After that, your mobile data is working, and if it doesn't work still, I would suggest you to just look at your site's speed test. So basically I'm gonna go just to Chrome and you just see I search for speed test. So we're gonna go and see if my internet connection is quite good enough, and let's just do that. So if the connection is like this, if it is fast like that, it should work just fine, the Messenger. So I believe that's not a problem then, but basically if everything is okay right here and your Messenger is not working, I also suggest you to offload the app, which you can do by going to the settings of your phone, going to general, iPhone storage, searching for Messenger, and click on offload the app, and after that reinstall the app. So that should also help if your video and call does not work. So if this video was helpful, guys, please like it and subscribe for more, and take care. Bye.